Welcome to Car Cave. My name's Chris. Our website is carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. We are looking at a 1986 Toyota Supra, one owner. We have the original title from when it was sold in Florida, down in Palm Beach back in late '85. So this car it's straight. Someone's repainted it. We did some maintenance to it, but there's still a little bit more that needs to be done if you want to have all systems functional and ready to go and ready to rock. What we did head off, hold on, we'll take a look at the original title here. So that's original title. So we did head off, we did the timing and we did the water pump, did a coolant flush, did tie rods, did a couple things so it's drivable, goes down the road. We had no record of the last time the timing was done, so we went to head that off, and it's a pretty big job for someone. Whoever down the line decided the BBS and the Lexani tires were a good deal. We have the original wheels too, so those go with the car. And let's see what else. If you need financing, we have a few different lenders we work with. Reach out, contact us, we'll put you in touch with them. We don't do it in-house, but we'll make sure we can put you in touch with who will. I just want to do a good walk around of the car. It's not a show quality paint job by any means. There's some flaws in it, but it looks good. It's presentable. You go over the whole thing. It's well, you can see. I'm trying to pick it up on video here. Has a little slant or slap back. Didn't test the sunroof. We're not going there. Antique, almost 40-year-old sunroof. That's going to be on the next owner. But let's get a little bit more walk around here. And if you want undercarriage pictures, you want some more stuff, just let us know. We want you to know what you're buying here. We'll try to go around the whole car today. Didn't get any documentation besides the original title, and it all checks out that it's one owner history. Besides that, didn't have maintenance records. That's why I started with the title. We didn't want to run the car unless we had done the timing. So interior's in pretty clean condition. Someone's recovered the center armrest. You can tell it doesn't match. There's no tears that we found in the upholstery. Headliner's in good shape. You have a little sagging in that corner. I mean, it's almost 40 years old, but it shows really well. The seatbelts are in good shape. Carpets, it's hard to see in here given the lighting right now, but there's wear on the bolster, but it's not excessive. There's not tears. It's something you'd expect, with some age, but it's not out of line. It was taken care of. Everything's here. It's a complete car. We'll get fired up. It sounds really good. It drives down the road good. It feels good. Has adequate power. We didn't go over the fact, I guess it is a manual transmission. That's the important thing. If you're already here, hopefully you saw one of our listings and started looking and then got redirected to YouTube, or you found us on YouTube. That'd be great too. And I just missed out the whole thing of covering the automobile and what the actual options are on it. So let's get in here. So we'll go through them. Horn works. Rear defrost. I don't have a temp gun to test it. You can hear a little feedback from that Sony deck. That's probably something I'd get rid of. The cruise and gauges, I'm not sure if it's working. We have wipers. Lights. Left blinker, right blinker. And let's see here. What else do we want to test? So hazard switch. There you go, hazard switch. I'm not going to test the sunroof. You're on your own on that one. Sorry, I'm shooting with one hand. Tilt wheel, you can see it down, up, and let's see if we turn the lights on. I can't pick up. Looks like we have a little bit of backlight there. I can't tell for sure. I'm not getting a difference with the scroll wheel. So, blower fans, you can hear the AC kicks on. I don't know if we're getting any cold air out of it. I believe the guys did a evac and a test on it. They weren't getting it to hold on the system, but we are getting a full blower here. It switches up to defrost, so that's good. Let's see, no dome light. Visors are here. That's a good term, right? They're here. Lights aren't coming on. There's missing the little switch here for that dome light. Parking brake and gauges. Right mirror doesn't do anything. You can see my taillight on in the mirror. Let's see, the left mirror. Power mirror does work on the left side. So door locks work, but they open right back up. So that's something you need to mess with. I know the driver window works. It goes up and down. And you can hear it rode through the gears. Cool. It's warmed up some. Actually sounds really nice. It's a good sounding car. We did give it a tune-up, so I'm sure the guys adjusted. They did the tune-up. They did any timing adjustment or EFI adjustment that was needed. I guess in this area, I'm not sure if it would be electronic adjustment or on the electronic side. That would be the basis for my guys back in the shop. We do have a full shop here. 136,803 miles. But we'll go so you can hear a little exhaust note. So what we found is after doing the water pump and the timing, if you drive it'll want to overheat. We'll see if we can get it warmed up. But it sounds good. We'll check out the rear lights. So you have your lights back here, your tag light, everything's up and functional. And we had some moisture coming out of the tailpipe, which isn't abnormal given we haven't ran it in a little bit, but you don't have any smoke or anything obnoxious. We did a head gasket test, and we also did a compression test, which we can share with you, because with the overheating, after a while we wanted to make sure it wasn't on the head side. We didn't want to pass along a problem to anyone, but when we did the radiator, the guy said they felt it was pretty clogged up, so they flushed it out. Said a few times. That was going to be kind of the next step for the next person. There we are. We'll check the brights. We can do a driving video for someone. New battery. You can see the new wires, spark plugs, timing. It's idling smooth. So, the upper radiator hose is warm, but it's not scalding hot. Let's see where we're at on temperature here. So, it's not turning up too much. I haven't driven it personally, so maybe I need to go take it out and see what we get out of it. Somebody should have cleaned under the hood, so I'm sorry about that. And you can see some overspray in here. Can't get it to focus, but she does run smooth. We have her where she's idling good, drives pretty good, has power. I don't think there's any compression loss whatsoever in the car, but as you see, it's not perfect by any means, so that's why we kind of said, hey, it's a bit of a project. There's going to be some things you need to take care of before probably utilizing it non-stop. And let's see, we'll go back. I don't want to keep it running because we're in a closed building here. I don't want to die by myself from carbon monoxide poisoning. There's other things I'd rather die of, that not being it. Go in the trunk here. So we have the original steering wheel. You can see some sun fade here. So I'm guessing that slant back wasn't always on the car, given the sun fade. It was in Florida its whole life. You have some mirrors in here. Looks like an original radio. I'm guessing that Sony's not original. Yeah, that's the Supra here. It's a cool car. It needs a good home. We did some good amount of maintenance on it to get someone a head start, but it needs driven. It's been off the road. It looked like probably not driven regularly for 15, 20 years. That's why we did the timing. All the AC components were intact. I'd have to ask the crew where they got to on testing it out. But if you want to look, we also here at Car Cave have some interesting collection of vehicles. You can see some BMWs, some Lancias, a 1.6 HF Fanalone, another Toyota. It's another one owner Toyota there, 11K mile LT1 Corvette, a DOHC. We have a V8 Defender, 52 Chevy 3100, the Blue Flame motor, Corvette, a 300 TDI Defender. Have a 3000 GT VR4 twin turbo, low miles. Got ourselves a nice 93 Porsche. Everybody likes those. They drive well. 2002 Ti, Renault 5 GT turbo working on. A 4Runner that just came in. Another Fulvia. Defender, little two-door Tahoe, a Troopy, NAS Defender, a TD5 Defender, a C8, a Bronco. We got a Chevelle in here, a Jag, a TD5. The whole back, the little backside of our building is also a shop. We do work back there. Our range is pretty broad, as you can tell by our collection. But if you have questions on the car, just reach out. Again, my name's Chris. Either Jake or I answers the phone. So call us. Ask away questions. We'll give you what we know about it. But we didn't go fully deep dive into this car, but we'll pass along all the knowledge we have. So if you do have any questions, reach out. 803-262-4742 and carcaveusa.com. Oh, and we forgot the Fiat 500. Those are always cute, clean, fun to drive. So enjoy the Supra. Hope it finds a good home.